Hi guys. Guys, look. Look what my partner look what my partner brought back. It's a baby bird.
Hey buddy, come on. No? You don't want to go. Alright, I'll have to grab you then, come here.
On the road.
Yeah, on the middle of the road, so then after that, I went and ran.
A little fledgling minor bird. So this is like.
Take a video, come on. Go say bye to Bailey.
Bye, Bailey.
Say bye-bye. He's going in the bucket. Mate, let go, come on. You're getting in there. He's like not letting go. There, cool.
Bro. The bird left a gift for us.
He took a shit, didn't it? He took a shit, didn't it?
See, the bird peed and pooped. I got my early birthday gift. This is what my boyfriend bought me. I'm gonna cover my address because no one can stalk me. Just kidding. Who's gonna stalk me? Like, who the hell is gonna stalk me? Anyway, so I'm gonna update you guys about something while I unbox this. So basically, a really early birthday gift because yeah, we both have been a bitch. Oh shit.
What? What's wrong? What's wrong?
It is not.
What's wrong?
Hey! God, look at my birthday gift, guys. This is my cards.
I
Wow.
replaced it. So this is the actual thing that I got her. Have fun with that. I'll take this away. He fell for it, lol.
He's such a bitch. Anyway, guys, my partner just left, so I kind of like lied to him. I said that I haven't got paid by comeback, and then like it came through like last night at 12 on the dot, and I lied to him. And I was like, because initially he was like saying, oh, I'm gonna go get the camera today at Ted's camera, but like I'm going to get Ted's camera now. So I was like telling him, why can't you just wait till tomorrow? And then he seemed so upset because like I think because like the sale's ending soon, so I think he's like really upset. But I'm going to get it now. So once I get it, I'll come back and put it on his table, and yeah, I'll kind of have to get some work done as well. But yeah, that's my plan. Anyway, I gotta go now before the sales end. So yeah, bye. So I'm literally editing the video right now. I'm like recording myself through my iMac. So excuse my boyfriend's dinosaur and my boyfriend's cousin's clothes because she just moved abroad. So I wasn't able to film myself getting the camera so one of the people who worked there, I was gonna film but I didn't because she was low-key kind of passive-aggressive and she's kind of racist as well, just because I am not Aussie, just because I'm Asian. So yeah, I love life. Hey guys, so as you can see, okay, please excuse my hair because I was like I used like the, what do you call again, like the, so I kind of used a little bit of hair gel before I went to see my chiropractor earlier. So as you can see that my hair looks really oily. Please excuse that. Give it a try. I'm honestly so nervous. Wait, it's actually so good. What the fuck? Wait, this is actually so good. Yo, I can't seem to find a solution to drag like the entire row down to the bottom because like I'm currently working on my assignment. Like I just can't seem to find a way to do it. I can't remember how to do it because I remember my professor that teaches like how to drag like the
what do you call that, like the numbers all the way down to the bottom, because like we have like a lot of like information in here. So it's like I literally Google and I could not comprehend a single thing, and my brain is just fried. So I was like, wait, I thought it was something. This thing, I'm gonna find something heavy and put it on my mouse and it will do the work for me. I am so smart, y'all. Literally still going. I don't know what I should do, because like this is like, I'm so dumb to a point that I have to be smart, if that makes sense. It's like I am so fucking dumb to a point I have to be smart, but I'm not being smart because it has been so long and the thing is still fucking going. Ah! Guess what? I figured it out. Literally, it only takes you one click. Just one click. Oh my god, I can't believe I wasted so much time just to oh my god, I feel so stupid right now. I actually feel so stupid. I actually feel so fucking dumb. Okay, Vanessa, it's okay. It's a learning process. It's okay. So if I were to backspace this, I'm not sure if I'm allowed to show you my assignment, but that's fine. So if I were to backspace this, and if you want to drag this all the way to the bottom, we have like probably 40,000 or more rows. My water bottle is blocking. Okay, so we have like more than that. We have like 40,000 rows, I reckon. I didn't really count, but all you gotta do is just, hey, like, what the fuck? The timer just went off, so I'm pretty sure the banana bread is cooked and it's done. We'll see if it's done. It's looking very golden and crispy.